Today, we would like to talk about how to handle vendor prepayment in PowerSuite. It is common for vendors to request prepayment when the service request is made, especially with leisure bookings. Just follow the following steps, you can easily handle the prepayment and payment of your vendor. Here you go. First, you must select the service in the booking folder that you're required to make the prepayment. Select the form of payment and the prepayment amount. Click Proceed. Payment request will be issued. If you are an authorized user and able to pay on behalf of your agency, you can click Payment. System will divert you to the Payment module. Reconfirm the form of payment and amount. Prepayment is done and payment voucher will be issued. It's time to pay the balance to the vendor. Simply go to the service in the booking folder. Click on Payment to pay the balance. System will show the outstanding amount which has been deducted from the payment. Select the form of payment. Payment is done. Managing the prepayment process is a breeze with PowerSuite. Want to know more about PowerSuite? Get in touch with us.